number 5. 5x minus 3 equals 3x plus 1. I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to go right to left. Let's go abstract. At some point, I told my students, try it without all this stuff here. So hopefully they know that it's plus 3 on both sides. The move I teach is I want the x on the left side. Sometimes it ends up being negative over here, and that's an extra step, and eventually I'll make videos on that one. But that consistency stays with them. They already know this is my moves. And then at some point you can teach it a little different because they have that foundation down of, they learned that one basic move. I call that one play, right? And so there it is. Boom. Okay. Now what I do, right? So I do minus 3x on both sides. And when it's stuff on the left side becomes negative, I do make sure they see it with the tiles first. That'll cancel on this side. I only scratch it all out. They can do an x, but so they don't see it anymore. It's completely gone, right? 5 minus 3 is 2x. Equals to 4. And then you just divide by 2. X equals to 2. So now we know what x is. It's x equals to 2. I can have them do the picture or the concrete to verify an answer. A lot of times I tell them, hey, draw it out. And they'll draw it out. Just make sure you got the right answer. Draw it out. All right? And they will draw it out. Especially if I know they don't have the right answer. I'll go, tell you what, draw it out. Oh, and they get real frustrated. Say, I know, but go find out where you got just something wrong. I'm gonna go fix it. So you're gone. And you guys are gone. Right? These guys are all gone. And these guys are all gone. So what I have 2x equals to what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. X equals 2. Over here, what does that look like? Well, I want this part gone. You get 3. You will cancel. But I would do it one side, you got to do the other. I'll make a copy of you, but I need to make you the opposite. Then make a copy of that. So you get negative 3x on both sides, or by negative 3x over here. You will cancel, and you will cancel out. 2x equals to 4. 2x equals to 4. They get really good at just doing it. It gets a little sloppy, but they have it down. If you want to see that organization continuously, then have them make sure it looks pretty every single time. But it's up to you. I just kind of know when they're in the groove, and I leave it alone. X equals 2, x equals 2, x equals 2, we're good to go. 5 times 2 is 10, minus 3 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. They got the right answer. For the very last example, I will model how to verify with the calculator, but that's actually maybe later on. But I will do one problem with the calculator just to verify, right? I'll do it with the very last example. If you see it, you go, oh my God, I could have just done this for every single problem. Yes, but for me here, I'm thinking non-calculator. Let's make sure we get it. And I always do it with the last problem. That's the kids are like, I could have just done the calculator, but I tell them, no, why don't you do it by hand first? You verify with the calculator. Okay, and that's it. Easy stuff.